It's JR's Dinosaur Land. You wanna take video? Okay. You want yourself
No.
to take video? What's in there, JR? There's a lot of dinosaurs.
Wait,
Okay.
I'll say hey everybody.
Sige, sige.
Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you my dinosaur land. And I
Yay!
made it by myself. And
Whoa! There's a man! Yay! Wow, what a powerful vehicle is that? Is that fast?
no, he's just slow.
Oh, yeah, it can carry a big dinosaur, right?
Yeah, like this one.
Like that one. Yeah, it can open and yeah, shoot. There you go. And then you can close it again. Oh, look at your dinosaur. There's a
And these are fighting.
oh, there's a
Those
fighting.
are his.
The eggs. They are fighting for the eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
This guy is going to eat the eggs.
Oh, is that a T-Rex?
Both of the T-Rex.
Oh, both of them are T-Rex.
Because this one is the bad T-Rex.
Motion.
That's his brother.
Detector. 1.
That's his brother.
Oh, that's his brother.
That's his bad brother.
Oh, what's his name? Chumpy?
Chumpy.
Looks like Chumpy.
Now what does this mean?
You can give it a name.
Coco.
Coco.
And I made the trees.
Oh yeah, there are coconut trees.
And the dinosaur are chasing the cars.
Oh no. Can they get in the car? Can they catch the car?
Yeah, what's it?
Oh.
And then he eat the car.
Oh no.
And then this one go inside the car.
Wow. Wow, nice color, dinosaur. Lots of different dinosaurs. This one.
And
green
this is
one.
and this one is from Papa's Christmas.
Oh. Really?
Yeah?
Oh yeah. I almost forgot. So it moved. It does move. Yeah. I think it tumblings. And then this cute yellow is from I think this one is from Luke.
Huh?
Luke gave you this one, right? And with Chase. And this one is from the egg that I gave you. And this one are set from the Animal Planet. And that green one is from Avi. And
Which green?
eggs.
Which one is green?
Is that green?
I think it's blue.
It's blue?
Green blue.
Green, blue. Yeah.
Oh, I mean turquoise.
Turquoise. It has a little mix of blue,
Yeah.
right? And then a big truck.
You give me that.
I gave you that.
Yeah, and Papa gave me that.
Yeah, it's from your vet. Yeah, Mama and Papa gave you this.
But
When
galing ka.
it's from Marketplace.
Why did you get that? for
Because
me?
you like it on your birthday. That's you want that as a birthday gift for you. Okay.
And you like the trees?
The trees are set with these ones.
And I like this.
Oh, that's a flying dinosaur. Okay, say bye.
Wait, I have more questions. You know whose eggs this is?
Oh,
Both of them.
what do you think? They are mixed.
This is the dad and this is the mom.
Oh, that's so sweet. It's
Oh, the egg is hatching.
oh, the eggs is hatching. Oh, there's a little dinosaur in there. And a yellow dinosaur. Oh, so cute. I think that one is from this one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I remember.